Hello, in this video we're talking about HTML superscript test. Okay, so to do a superscript, we have to let's create a h1 header 1 and type something inside. Let's say something like z. Z. Then to add the superscript number to it, let's say z superscript 2. So let's say super use space from the word, let's say SUP, enter, then now put 2 here. First you see the result here, you can see it here. You can see it here. Here's the output, something like this. So this is called a superscript in HTML. Okay, now let's ask a question. A question will be displayed here. Let's ask a question, kind of a simple, let's ask a mass question and then solve it with, we'll ask the question in superscript and then answer it with a superscript. Okay, so let's do that. Let me use paragraph to ask the question, then use header 1, or probably use h1 to make more sense, or should I use span to, okay, let me use h2 to ask the question. Let me see how bold the h2 is. Let me say simple. Let me see the output. Okay, it makes sense, but it seems to be a little bit bigger. Okay, let's say simplify. We are not asking our question. Simplify. Okay, simplify brackets, simplify 2x plus okay, 2x plus 3 close bracket, then sup and this space so you can actually get it faster. Sup, then close the white space, sup 2. Okay, this, we're not asking our question. Okay, sub 2 plus open another parenthesis. Okay, like 2x minus, no, this is not minus, minus 3. We're asking a question with within a mass question within a HTML, and we're making use of superscript where superscript is needed. Okay, and we also solve it with the same pattern. Okay, so let's proceed, enter, and back to this one, then close the brackets. Okay, now we'll now add superscript 2. Superscript on use space here, superscript 2. Okay, let me close this white space so it will come closer. Okay, so these are questions. Simplify in brackets 2x plus 3 raised to power 2 plus open bracket 2s minus 3 raised to power 2. So let's do it in normal way for solving mass question. Let's say okay, let's say break br, so we need another new line. Okay, let's say let me do another break so you can have enough space. No, clean this one. Enter br, enter. So anything we are typing now, we enter the next we jump 2 lines. Okay, simplify this. So let's copy this our question. Okay, let me do it this way now. Let me just how do I do this so it will look more like we are already solving the math. Let me remove the simplify, grab the question, this question now, which is from here now. Grab this question and bring it down here, and then the next line will be the solvings, as in this from this place, from we cut it from here, bring it down here. Then now do equals to begins follow with our solvings. Okay, let's copy from here down, Control C. Okay, Control C here. We'll now paste it. Control V. We paste it. Okay, here we begin our solvings. Okay, now enter. Think if we make use of let's change this header 2 to header 4, so it will be a little bit smaller. Okay, then we'll now use, okay, let's make it 3 and see how it looks like. Okay, it makes sense, but let's make it 2. No, 4, sorry. So it will be a little bit smaller, but I doubt the viewer will be. Let's make it 3. Let's leave it at 3. Let's make the question to be with header 3, so it will be, there will be a difference between the answer and the question. Okay, so let's also make here header 3. Then we'll now copy out, we'll now cut this one, cut this, Control S, we cut it out, we close this header 3 tag. Okay, close it. Okay, then we'll now open another header, and we'll now name it header 2. So inside this header 2, we'll now paste it. We'll now paste that our code, so it will be there will be a difference between our solving and the question. Okay, let's say Control V for, okay, so this is for our solvings. Okay, let's make it more fun as well. Let's make it more fun. After this, let's say let's use, okay, say header, let's use header 4, and say something like solution. Yeah, solution. Okay, solutions. So the question, okay, let me it seems like this break line is too this thing. It's like I will do something. Let me use 3 and see how it looks like. Let me use header 3, see how it looks like. Okay, it makes sense this way. Okay, it looks very nice. Okay, this is solution. Okay, let me give it a green. Let me say style color, let me say green for solution. Green, let me say green. Okay, so yeah, solution, it makes more, I think, a little bit more sense. Okay, then let's make our question, lead, so it will be like a question. Okay, let me say styles. I want to make this thing look very okay. Color, okay, let's call it a red. Let's say lead color. Yes, this is what I want. So there will be a great difference. You know that this is a question, this is a solution, and here is the solving. So the solving will have only black color. Okay, so let's continue with what we are doing. Okay, so let's continue with what we are doing. So we now do equal to, we have started solving. Okay, let's jump to the next line for the next step. Let's say we use break, br, enter, break. Okay, inside the break we now do equals to, equal sign. Let's add another brace so there will be, it will be spaced, well spaced out. Okay, enter. Yeah, it makes more sense this way, so there will be enough space in between them, so to help us to make the solving more clear. So let's say equal to 2. Okay, equal to 2 in bracket. We are not solving now. Okay, equal to 2, equal to 2 inside the bracket. Also put another bracket inside, and say 2x. I say 2x, and 2x outside there. We now do sub. Okay, we're supposed to wipe this thing. So it says sub subscript 2, subscript 2. Okay, then we'll now close this white space. We'll now close this white space and then put our brackets. It's not necessary yet. Okay, let's leave it this way. Then do plus plus open another bracket. Okay, right, 2x minus, I think the space is too much, or should I bring it a little bit closer? Let me bring the minus. I think the minus is okay. Minus 3. Okay, minus 3. We'll close the bracket. We'll close the entire bracket. Okay, before we close the bracket, we have to make it we have to add 2 here. There have to be a superscript 2 here. Raised to power 2 bracket here. Okay, so we'll do that. Just type in sup. So you have to always give space and then wipe it later. Sup2. Okay, then clean the white space. Okay. Okay, then enclose it in brackets. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the next step, which we would now put break br to the next line. Okay, enter. Think we'll also add more break so that it will jump up to 2 lines to have more space. My code need to be clean. Let me bring this inside, and this one also. This one should come down here, so the code will look uniform and clean in the eyes by looking at it. Yeah, I think it look better this way. Enter. So what we now do next, we now do equal to, yeah, equal to 2, equal to 2. We're now arriving at our final answer. Okay, mathematician should prove me longer. In case if I don't get it, just solve it and post it in the comment box. Okay, so we'll now do now open an array box. Now say 4x raised to power 2. The raised to power 2 we use, give space and use sub. No, this is supposed to give me, okay, let me wipe this so it will know, this will know in the stuff. It says sub. Okay, sub 2, which is raised to power 2. Okay, then clean the white space. Okay, clean the white space. Yeah, so after cleaning the white space, now put plus, no, I have to clean this. Plus, it's too close, we have to give space in between them. So give space in between them with the plus. Okay, give another space, then I say plus 9, because 3 raised to the power 2 is 9, then 3 times 2, 3 times 3 is 9, so that's what it's supposed to be. We're not good in maths, but we try this one. So we now close the array box. Okay, so this is our final answer. So we can do something like let's say, let's make it even more, let's make it look somehow. Let's say let me use span to do that. span. Inside span, let me use final. Let me say final answer. Final answer. Final answer is equals to this. Let me use final answer. Okay, is equals to then let me space. Let me give space between this equal to and the two. Okay. Now let me color this final answer with blue. Let me say style. Let me say style color. Okay, color. Let me use light blue. I think light blue, or let me use normal blue. Okay, let me use normal blue and see how it looks. If it does not look nice to me, I'll change it. Okay, I think it makes sense a bit. So this is how to use a superscript in HTML. Okay, you can see how the steps we follow. Just this code is as simple as just know where to use super, where to use superscript, which is with the short term SOP element. So anything you put inside it will automatically superscript the content. Even if you use text, it will superscript it. For instance, this one, if I remove these two nouns and type some random word and say, let's say hello here, now you can see it superscript it here. It's take it up, kind of it lays it to lays it to the power of this bracket. So let's move and replace it with our 2 for the color. So this is it for HTML superscript. HTML superscript. So I hope you watch and enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.